Hi guys, welcome back to the shop. My name is Doug. Got some more fabrication to do. I got a set of steps to make a crossover. Uh, Company put up a concrete wall around some liquid tanks, and it's 4 feet high. So I've been building OSHA certified safety stairs, ladders, hoops. I've been doing that for years in the mining industry and in the feed and grain. Any material handling. Yeah, buddy. Huh? Yeah, chasing birds. Here's all the bar grade. Already cut it all up and brought it home. So I'll get that stuff in the shop. All right, got everything cleaned up, and I started laying out the brackets that this bar grade is gonna set on. If I'd have thought just like a minute longer, the notches that I put in the plate when I cut it for the straight line, I'd have moved it down a quarter or an inch and a quarter. That way, because that's actually where this bracket goes. This line here is actually the top of the bar grade. So I had to draw all the straight edge line and then move everything down an inch and a quarter just for the bar grade to set on the bracket, so the top of the bar grade would be up here. Now I'm just gonna leave those tacked until this thing's all assembled. And I'll use my overhead crane here to flip it around and stuff like that. Just because if I weld these now, this thing will bow like crazy. Because I already did it on the one I made before, a few months back. Yep, I really like that. I mean, I got it together. It was close, but I wound up just putting it in on the mill and took a 1-inch end mill and ran across it and squared it up. I mean, it's really close now. You see, there's all I did. Just clamped it on like that. And I got these soles sitting in there where they need to be. That one's a little off, but I made it. I probably bumped it a little, but. Uh-oh. Forgot one. Got that one done. But other than forgetting to do that, should be golden. Hey, here's the last one I just built. And I'll paint it up nice and sexy. Sort of. A lot of overspray. Down the other side, watch your step. There's all the handrail, 1.5-inch square tubing, 4 sticks of it. I'll come around these big tanks I just had put up. Over here to the new one I'm building now. This crossover, there's going to be a building sitting out here where the buggy's at and stuff. There's going to be a building sitting out there with, it's going to be a blower house. It's going to have a series of blowers that up the horsepower of the airflow to basically push air into the material that's in the tanks, and still got concrete to pour out here, or if they're ever going to do it. But I'll probably put little foot pads on there, and then they'll just, who knows how long it'll be before they do concrete. But the way I have it there, the way it's connected, it's a piece of 3-inch, 1/4-inch angle, and it's welded on there. So the bigger you are, the heavier this the 2 stairs pinch the wall. So, and you can see the top step, that's 12-inch. These are all 10. Just to have the hangover on the wall, and I'll have the 8 inches from here down, 8, 8, and 8. And this step here right now is to the ground is about 9. But like I said, still got to get concrete put in. So I'm ready to weld off that top piece of bar grating. It's of a different flavor, you know, like that, and you got that, but it'll work fine. Just something that was out back in the scrap pile. So I'll get that welded on, and I'll be ready to start working on handrail. Alrighty, I got all the posts done, all 6 posts. Top step welded in. Those now, I'll get the top rail in, and then that'll probably be it for the day. Okay, I'm all cleaned up and done, you know, for today. I did get all the top rails cut. I got one in, and I'll finish it up tomorrow. Still got the center rails to do a lot of grinding, just because by OSHA standards your hands cannot be caught, your hands cannot leave the handrail. At least how it is inside of a building. In case there's smoke or something, someone could find a handrail and follow the handrail to an exit. Their hand should not ever be able to come off of the handrail at any time. So that's just another one of their rules. So, and you can't be catch on anything. So like I don't care how pretty the weld is, it has to be ground, and you know, and then I'll take a flap wheel to it and grind them off. So they have to be smooth, can't catch your hand on anything. So I think I'm probably done videoing. I don't know, I might bring the camera with me tomorrow, I don't know, but we'll see. But if not, I'll definitely get pictures of it when it's done, but it should look identical to the one that's around on the other side when I'm finished, other than paint. I probably won't paint it, not yet. Alright guys, just in case I'm done here, well, thanks for subscribing, and maybe ring that bell, leave me a comment, I'll reply to it. Thumbs up, thumbs down, I don't care, it all works. So I'll definitely get some pictures of this when it's done, and we'll see you in the next one.